Alright guys, today we're going to collage some cardinals into our landscape paintings that we did last time. Here's a couple that I did the other day, and you notice how there's different views. This is a front view and this is a side view. You can put them kind of where you want and then they'll get glued down. Now how do you make those? Well, let me show you how to get started and how to have some success with this project. I made up a how-to sheet. Shows how to draw the front view and the side view and then the parts to put it together. So I recommend that you take your red piece of paper, and if you're going to do the front view, you got to kind of figure out the size of your cardinal. If you want a little bit smaller, make this first part smaller. But what you're going to do is do this little simple shape in here, and you're going to fill that in. Now we will put orange paper on top of this, so we'll cut out a piece to glue on top of this black part here, which will show the beak. So you're going to do that for the front view. The other ones will be attached. The side view, you can go either way with this one, if it's pointing that way or that way. I'm going to point this one this way, so it's kind of like a taco. So you do a diagonal and then you just curve it back to the side over here. So if you look at it that way, it's almost like a taco shape. And then the black part is right here, and the eyes right here. So we make that solid right here. Some other pieces you might need. So the wings on this one are going to look similar to this. Okay, and then I kind of go like this. And these are going to be cut out and glued there. And then also a tail feather. This one would go on here, we'd turn it that way. And let me show you the one I was just working on a little bit ago with them all cut out. Okay, so this one right here is all cut out, and then there's little orange pieces that we can put on there. So for the front view, this one can get glued right here. So we take a glue stick and put it down, straight like a diamond. And then I like to just go like this and cut it in half. Not cut it in half, but draw a line in half of it right there. And then when you glue the wings on, I recommend that you glue it on the back side. Okay? So that makes it look a little bit better, more like wings when you glue it on the back side. And then there was the tail feather as well that you could add onto this one, and that one could go about right in there. Side view. Go like this. This triangle is a little bit smaller, so it's half. So you will glue that right here. And then this one could be put on right at the end on the back side there to make it look like your cardinal. Alright? So that's basically how you do it. You can put them where you want. I do recommend that, if your tree limbs aren't looking so good, that you can add in some brown pastel on top of it. Okay, so you could do stuff like that with brown ones, or you could do green ones if you'd like to add a little greenery into your work. Alright guys, good luck with your work today.